Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? We are
The Wilsons on the Go!
Huwag niyo pong i-click off ang ad na ito kasi meron lang po kaming i-share as a family na nakapag-change na din po ng aming buhay. Kung kayo ay may mga pangarap sa buhay or ang pamilya ninyo at alam niyo hindi niyo makakamit within this lifetime or matatagalan pa, may solusyon po kami para sa inyo.
With inflation on the rise, this is an excellent way to hedge against the cost of food, gas, college, housing, and every other day expense. Nowadays, we all need an extra stream of income.
My mom is a special education teacher. I do dance competitively, and my brother does taekwondo and baseball. While we are a very busy family, my mom still has time on the side to run her business. It only takes a few hours.
Because of Mom's business, she now has extra income that allows us to go on vacation. We went to the beach a lot. This spring, we went on a 7-day cruise to the Bahamas. This summer, we went to a 1-month vacation to the Philippines where our family was.
Oh, that's so nice. Lahat po yan, guys. Pangarap lang yan. So, I came here sa America 14 years ago as a teacher. No? Everything was okay. Nagpapadala pa din po ako ng pera sa Pilipinas. Ngunit nung pandemic po, na-realize ko, oh my goodness, wala po pala akong savings and I got so worried kasi paano na lang ang future ng aking mga anak. Good thing po, nakita ko itong digital business na ito. Grabe po na nakapagbibigay ito ng aming mga pangangailangan sa araw-araw at sa pag-save sa aming future din po. Walang kailangang itinda, no selling involved po, wala pong overhead at wala din pong mga quota. Ang kagandahan nito, meron na kaming proven system na nakapagtulong na din po sa maraming tao. At ako mismo, isa na akong coach dito sa business at marami na din po akong natutulungan ng mga tao. Ito po ay pwede nyo din pong gawin.
Please watch the complimentary 90-minute webinar.
Message Mom or comment how below.
This is a legit business, and if you want to secure your family's future, this is an excellent thing to pursue.
Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, may solusyon. Kung gusto niyo din pong malaman yan at marami pa po, i-message lang ako. At ang alam ko po, makakatulong ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Have a good day.
Bye!
Bye!